It's better to walk alone the right way than to walk with a crowd going the wrong direction. Running it, Joe!
KinggEATEAT, 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 KinggEATEAT. I like chicken, I like beef, I like spaghetti with a whole lot of meat. KinggEATEAT, yeah, KinggEATEAT.
Yes, sir. What's going on, YouTube? It's your boy, Mr. Moment, aka KinggEATEAT, and today, you know what it is. You see the vibe, baby. Today, y'all see the vibe. Y'all already know the vibes. What this is? I'm talking about y'all know the vibes. I don't even know what it is. Beef stew. Beef stew. I knew that's what it was, y'all. You got a whole lot of everything up and in there and all up and in there and all up and around there. As a matter of fact, cue it. It's kind of hot. It's kind of hot, y'all. Yeah, y'all. This is what I got going on here today. Let me spread all this out. All this goodness. Yeah. Y'all love them potatoes. Oh my God. Ooh. I don't know about y'all, but I love me some cornbread in mine. I love me some cornbread up in mine. Get all that cornbread up out of that paper today. How y'all day going? Y'all hear the fan? Kind of hot, y'all. Y'all, Queen cooked this what this here, pot roast? Huh? Y'all, this pot roast been cooking for about 2 days. No, since last night, yesterday evening. It been cooking for about 40 hours. Something like that, ain't it? No. No. I'm tripping. Been cooking about 10 hours. About 10 hours, ain't it? Yeah, something like that. Mm-hmm. Ooh. All right, cornbread here. Different. Y'all alone. Hold what you got. Got what you hold, like Queen say.
You taste the honey on top.
I did taste the honey, baby. Thank you, sweetheart, darling. Mm-hmm. Thank you, sweetheart, darling.
Yeah, you definitely getting out of cornbread out there.
Huh?
You definitely getting out of cornbread out there.
Out of here.
And he wanted all that juice on his plate.
I like the juice, babe.
You need to put some more cornbread in.
I need some more.
Oh my God.
You
You need a real fork.
this is fine.
You got a spoon.
I just need some more cornbread. And my hot sauce. Oh my God, this is delicious. This is delicious, y'all, for real, for real. That is delicious, yo, so. Let me turn the fan off. So y'all, y'all know I love y'all. I tell y'all everything, right? That for me, baby. Thank you, sweetheart, darling. Oh, that's what I'm talking about. How you knew which one I wanted? Huh? How you knew which hot sauce I wanted, babe? Cause you know me. You think like me?
Yeah.
Okay.
What's about for real?
What?
Do you getting this cornbread out of there?
Yeah, I want all this. I want all this. This some fat cornbread, that honey on top. Hit it different. I need all that up out this paper. Hold on, y'all. I'm getting it together as y'all can see. I'm getting it right on together, y'all.
You got a spoon.
I don't need no... Well, I do need a spoon a little bit. My bad.
See how special he was. He was doing it with the fork, y'all.
Don't agree with her judging me, y'all.
Yeah, he was doing it with the fork.
Y'all know what the Bible say. Let he without sin. So remember that. Or y'all go to laughing at me with her.
They can laugh.
No.
Yeah, he's also a sense of humor.
Oh my God. Oh man. No. What y'all know about a beef stew? Y'all don't know nothing about it like I know about it right now. Little potato. Bring that face. Don't say nothing, just stick the face over here. Oh, y'all forget. They say they like when I look directly in the camera.
Look at him, baby. I feel slap you.
So y'all know I tell y'all everything, right? But this is good for real, for real. Last time you cooked something ain't taste like this.
Wait a minute.
It was good, but it wasn't like this.
I guess it's the slow cook. But I put it on the stove for the restaurant. I transferred it to the stove after.
I know I forgot to do. I knew I forgot to do something.
What was it? Starter.
Yep. I know I'm late. I already know what you're finna say.
About 10 minutes later.
Huh?
About 10 minutes later.
Nah, not that much. I don't think.
Okay.
What is this? Oh, what y'all?
That way.
Yeah. Y'all. So do y'all remember? Oh. Shout out to all the new people that came over and subscribed to your boy. Congratulations, we done hit 13,000. Yep. We done hit 13,000.
Whoop whoop.
We still gonna hit 100K for the end of the year, though. But right now, we hit 13,000. Congratulations to us. Team E, baby. But I was saying, so y'all know I had said that the devil always busy, right? So y'all know I had the well, I still got them Ingles, aka them shingles, right? But thank God it ain't as bad as it was. It used to be non-stop burning and itching. Now it's just coming in spells. Alright. Boy, that hot sauce got me sweating. Some got me sweating. Some got your boy sweating. I don't know what it is.
The soup hot too.
Well, it's the soup and the hot sauce and everything else with it. Got your boy out here sweating. Your boy out here sweating, y'all.
You got pepper towel.
Woo! That's better. Alright, y'all. So like I was saying, what was I saying?
So much your mingles and shit.
Right. Y'all know first I had got the mingles, aka them shingles, right? Like I just praise God, that ain't white like it was. So I had said like every time something like that happen, I feel like the devil is trying to get me, right? Trying to you know, make me feel down and try to discourage me. You gotta be quicker than that. So, of course, that didn't stop anything. I was still doing my thing, still doing these videos, because at the end of the day, I have people in my inboxes and DMs tell me how much I done helped them and, you know, how just my positive vibes helped them through the day. So, I'm going to be here regardless, you know what I'm saying? So, this is not just for me. This is for all of us. And if ain't nobody told you today, I love you. Hey, I love you. For real. So, I'm just, you know, I didn't understand, like, why all this was happening. You know what I'm saying? Like, I be good, I talk positive, I try not to try not to be negative at all. I help people, anything I can do, you know? But sometimes bad things happen to good people. And I feel like it's just to see if you're going to keep the faith, you know? Even through the bad times. Can you keep that same energy when everything going bad, when everything going bad as when it's going good? Can you keep that same energy? It's easy for you to keep the faith and, you know, be happy and go lucky and positive and all that when everything going good. Who can't? You have nothing to be mad about. You have nothing to be upset about. You know, so I just feel like we go through stuff like that, you know, as a test. You know what I'm saying? So, hey, y'all seen me. I ain't miss a beat. Y'all might have to see the shirt come off a couple times, you know. Shirt might have had to come off a couple times, you know. But hey, it is what it is, you know. So, you know, I know y'all probably didn't want to see all that. Some of y'all did.
You slapped.
I knew that was coming. But, so y'all, I'm like, I be so positive, y'all. The whole time I had them Ingles, well, I still got them, but you know, it hurting bad. The whole time I had them, I was like, this is just a test. You know what I'm saying? To see am I who I say I am. You know what I'm saying? So I took it like a G. I took it like a champ, right? So my doctor was like, man, you taking this pretty good because most of the people that come in here with shingles, you'll swear me down, they've been shot. You know? And it's all on my back, all coming out across my side, all on my chest, everything, right? So, you ain't gonna get nowhere complaining about it. Do what you gotta do and keep it moving, you know what I'm saying? A lot of people don't realize that every storm don't come to destroy. Some storms come to clear your path. You know what I'm saying? Ooh, that was... You heard what I just said?
Yeah, call one.
You want me to say it again?
Yeah, say it one more time, Pastor K.
One more time. Some storms don't come to... Every storm don't come to destroy. Some storms come to clear your path. What? What? Come on, man. Take the offering plate around. Take the offering plate around. No, but for real, y'all. So, y'all, when the devil feel like he's been defeated, he gonna pull every rabbit out the hat he can. Tell you what I mean. Well, I got them Ingles, right? AKA them shingles, right? It didn't faze me though. Yeah, it hurt. It is what it is. Ain't no point of whining and complaining about it, right? So I got past it. Even though I was hurting, I got past it. This too shall pass, right? So I'm up here last night, y'all. Tea. You know, man, my own business, you know? I walked in the dining room, y'all. And I reached for a Gatorade, right? And I coughed. When I coughed, instantly no air, right? It was like, okay, I coughed. But you know, like when you cough, you breathe back in. It was like, no air. Like my lungs just said, not today. You know what I'm saying? And I was like I couldn't, yo. I thought I was on that last level and they checked flat, but the waving on in the hell. I'm just gonna be honest with you. I thought I was out of here. It scared me so bad I didn't know what was going on. I ain't had no chest pains or none of that though. I'm like, I just couldn't bring no air in. So Queen came there. Dun, 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 dun. I'm super queen.
Shit. Stop playing.
Why you came in there? You okay? What going on? Boy, she done found a box, started fanning me. So when she started doing that, y'all, it took me about 10 minutes to completely catch my breath. I'm like, yo, I could not catch my breath for nothing. And y'all, as soon as I got enough air, you know what I did? I started laughing. I started laughing. You know why? The devil can't get me. So I'm gonna tell you what it is, y'all. Just like a lot of y'all.
It wasn't funny. You didn't laugh.
I did laugh.
You did. You said, you gonna let me die.
I know I did say that too. But just like a lot of y'all, the devil know where y'all came from. You know? And he don't like to see where you're going. So he gonna do everything in his power to try to slow you down or stop what you got going. But it ain't gonna work today. As long as you got God on your side, you'll be alright. Trust me, you'll be alright.
You got all that juice up.
Oh yeah, I told you I was gonna get it now. I told you I won't get it. Mm-hmm.
Keep the faith.
Keep the faith. Boy, I get off task quick, won't I? Y'all got to keep the faith. Regardless of what the situation is, keep the faith. Don't let the devil do it to you. Because I'm going to tell y'all something. The devil can't beat you by himself. So he going to try to use your own mind and the people that's closest to you to bring you down. But don't let him do it. Don't let him do it. It might be the people you laying right next to every night. I ain't talking about you, babe. Because you good to me. You real good to me, baby. So I ain't talking about you. I'm just saying in general, though, for real. It be the people that's closest to you, for real. Y'all have to say that because Queen Craig, she'll be like, what you trying to say? So I had to let her know before she go ham.
That baby, please. I'm not even worried about you.
I think I done used all my juice up.
You need some more?
I think I need a little more juice.
This high.
It's just like a little, yeah.
Juice.
Yeah, I just need some juice.
I had to put it in a bowl.
For real?
So cool out. Put it in the refrigerator.
I can refrigerator?
No.
Oh.
Who wants some sour food? This was gonna be tomorrow. It's hot.
So y'all, you gotta have, boy, that hot sauce got me sweating for real, for real. You gotta have a real strong mindset to push through when things are going bad or not going as planned. Baby, that's how I need a little juice. That's sad, ain't it? I know. Boy, that juice just brought back to life, though. I'm like, what's up? Queen came and say today, if it weren't for her, I don't know if I'd be here right now. Cause boy, I'm gonna tell you something, I couldn't talk or nothing.
I kept saying, what's wrong?
I couldn't get no air in, y'all.
Let's bring me an asthma pop in the fan. Let's go.
I said, is this how KinggEATEAT gonna end?
You need to stop playing.
I ain't even wrote the ending to my story yet. Cause in this world, y'all, we all writing a story. We all came from somewhere. The thing is, how's your story gonna end? Is your book or your movie gonna be worth watching or reading? Let me tell you right now, mine gonna be on the bestseller. Mine is gonna be on the bestseller list. And everybody here right now, if you can hear what I'm finna say, remember this when I tell you. When I hit 100,000 subscribers, I'm gonna tell y'all my life story. Y'all ain't heard nothing yet. 100,000. And I'm gonna give it to you. KinggEATEAT, why we can't get it now? Nah, cause I want the world to hear this. I need a lot of people to hear this my story, y'all. I throw bits and pieces out there, but I don't know where y'all put it together. Y'all know I came from the hood and all that kind of stuff, but y'all don't really know my story though. We all have one. Some people don't want to tell theirs. I'm gonna tell mine though. I'm gonna tell mine. Huh? Yeah. Of course. Yeah. This soup was so fast. Y'all, somebody in my comments had said, what they say, I think they was trying to be funny, but they probably wasn't though. They said, can I get them any dieting tips? What's the fun? What's the fun?
That means stop playing.
What make you think they were playing? What make you? Everybody know I'm dieting. Don't I look thinner? Come on now, don't I look thinner? Hold on. I got a neck now. Look at my neck. Look at that neck, y'all. I ain't had no neck at first. Go back to my first video, y'all, and see a neck.
Stop.
I got a strong neck. And I got a jawline almost a little bit. But look at that neck, though. You see that? Look.
Boy.
Neck. Got strong or solid neck. You know what? You a hater.
I ain't see it.
Because people asking me for, okay, so diet advice, right? If you don't want to hear it, I understand, but for the one who asks. You the real MVP. So, I do what they call, don't hate. I do what is called intermittent fasting, right? There's a lot of different levels to this. Because y'all be saying, well, I don't never hear nobody say it, but I assume y'all say, KinggEATEAT, how you eat all that food and y'all you losing so much weight? To me, that's what y'all saying. So if y'all ain't saying it, you should start. But the way I do my intermittent fasting, y'all, is you got intermittent fasting, light, medium, and heavy, right? So light is like, you get an 8-hour window to eat, right? Medium, you get a 4-hour window to eat every day. Huh?
No.
What I do is hard, which is 1 hour. I get a 1 hour window every day to eat. So when I eat my more like when I come on camera and I eat my one meal, that's it.
Oh, you get on my nerve. You go get something to eat. I'm not ready to eat. I do my show.
Queen Miss Handwell, you ain't gonna eat nothing else, I ain't gonna eat either.
Let me tell you something.
I mean, well, I not really ate mine.
I'm trying to get fine too.
Baby, say like you will.
Baby.
I want none of that. So y'all, I listen. Some things on the diet I just can't get rid of, okay? Kool-Aid is my kryptonite. Now, if somebody can tell me something that tastes like Kool-Aid but that's healthy, then I try, but
He ain't gonna drink it.
if it's good, I will. Probably want it, because I love Kool-Aid, y'all.
You laying.
I love the Lele. But
I put a spoon in it.
who? You put what?
I'm just playing.
I know you will. Let me with that Lele in there, because I can taste the difference.
Maybe, maybe not.
But y'all, I've been trying, like one of my partners, right? I've been trying to tell him, he be like, he can't really do, work on his own business because, he got a 9 to 5 with him. But you ain't gonna get rich off no 9 to 5, y'all. I'm just gonna be honest with you. I did it. Don't get me wrong now. I understand you gotta do what you gotta do. But why would they let you get rich when they can get rich? Okay. And just do your own. Everybody that's watching me right now got a talent. Got a gift, rather. Once you tap into that gift, it really ain't nothing nobody else can do to stop you but you.
Let's scoot y'all on out the way.
Yeah. Like, say you got 9 to 5. Do your 9 to 5. Just take a couple hours a day to work on your business, your craft. So you'll have something to leave your kids one day. Or they won't have to grow up and go through what we went through. You know what I'm saying? Y'all, I'm gonna be honest with y'all. I think I might be going blind.
Stop playing.
Hey, just being honest.
You need to stop saying that.
Okay, I'm playing basketball. But I might be at it around here sooner or later. Oh my God.
You try to talk about me.
Cause y'all, actually, all it was, soon Queen got her glasses, y'all was talking about her. She was at it there.
Somebody look like a school teacher. And something else.
So I'm driving the other night, right? I noticed, boy, start looking a little blurry while I'm driving. So I ain't say nothing, right? I'm like, maybe it's just, I don't know. Yo, this kept happening. This ain't nothing light.
Sure ain't.
This something for real, for real. So, I'm gonna have to call my doctor, y'all.
We supposed to call him today, yesterday.
I might be like Queen around here.
Wait a minute.
With the double eyes.
Wait a minute. After I will, wait too.
Well, Queen love her glasses.
Shall I do? I can give me some little one. When he get his, I'm gonna slap his across the room.
I wish you would touch my glasses.
You know what he told me?
Boy, this soup is fire.
I ain't gonna have too much. Y'all know when you look cold, you make some soup, baby. It's just a little cold.
Just a little bit cold outside. But we can't wait to get this soup. Yeah.
No, you could.
Boy, we have to leave. Go back to the store.
I ain't had no eggs.
Okay, let's go. We had the cornbread. Now, don't get me wrong now. I could have ate mine with some club crackers.
Yeah.
Huh?
No.
You can eat your club crackers?
No.
Done there. A club cracker? Come on now. Can't go wrong with it. But this was a plate full of soup. I done cooked it.
You got to do that inside last week.
Huh?
Do your inside last week.
Hmm?
Do your inside last week.
Do my exercise and go to sleep. I already did my exercise today.
Why you didn't tell them?
I ain't doing no more.
Why you didn't tell them about your other diet detox?
No, who?
Diet detox.
Oh, yeah. I almost got. In the morning, I drink coffee and lemonade, lemon. Boy, had me sweating everything. I be sweating and everything. Stick a fucking me, I'm done. Woo. What's his name?
Don't snap in your fingers.
What's his name?
Who done?
What's his name?
Money. Money.
Shout out Money. He the original OG. I love y'all. If ain't nobody told you today, I love you. All my E's out there. E. Everybody else, we the gang. Y'all gang. We're not the same.